how to adjust the chain on your Ego chainsaw. For toolless adjustments to the tension of the chain on your Ego chainsaw, begin by making sure the battery is removed from the tool and the chain brake is in the lock position. Next, loosen the bar and chain cover by a half to a full turn. Spin the chain adjust dial towards the front of the tool to tighten the chain or towards the back of the tool to loosen the chain. Pull the chain away from the bar to ensure that you have the correct tension, approximately 1/4 of an inch. After you have checked the tension of the chain, you can reinsert the battery and begin cutting. If you prefer to make adjustments with the tool, a standard slotted screwdriver can be used, turning the screw located at the front of the saw. Follow all the previous safety precautions to make these adjustments.